Actions speak louder than words, and a smile says, I like you. I am glad to see you. You make me happy. I'm happy to be around you. If we expect people to have a good time meeting us, we must have a good time meeting them. And what shows that you are having a good time meeting them? Well, your smile is the easiest external indicator to show people, I'm enjoying spending time with you. I like you. Now, what if you don't feel like smiling? You have to force yourself to smile. William James, the great psychologist, said, actions seem to follow feelings, but really actions and feelings go together. By regulating the action, which is under direct control of will, we can indirectly regulate the feeling, which is not. Thus, the sovereign voluntary path to cheerfulness is to sit up cheerfully and to act and speak as if cheerfulness were already there. You see, just the act of smiling changes everything because, as William James said, your actions change your feelings. Your smile changes how you feel. And when you feel happy, the other person feels that warmth of your happiness and responds with that feeling of happiness in your presence. So if you want people to like you, you must smile.